Welcome everyone to this class, TK2105 Chemical Engineering Statistics. This is the first short lecture video of many more to come. My name is Helen Julian. You can call me Helen. I'm your lecturer for this class. So to begin with the class, I will show you the syllabus of this course, so you know what to expect and what to learn in this class. This lecture will introduce you to basic concepts and techniques in statistics, so that you can understand the behavior of a system through measuring data. So, by studying statistics, it is hoped that you can measure, process, and interpret data objectively. The topics of this course are more or less typical to a basic statistic course, which include descriptive statistics, that's about how to systematically characterize data. Then an introduction to the meaning and use of probability distribution, which is an introduction to the next topic, inferential statistics. In inferential statistics, we will learn about how to draw conclusions about populations from the sample measurement results. Then we proceed with parameter estimations, which you may be more familiar with in terms of regressions, and conclude with an introduction to several types of statistical experimental designs. The textbooks we will use are books from Montgomery and Ranger, which have now been published until the 7th edition in 2018. The softwares we will use are relatively easy to find. They are Microsoft Excel and Minitab. In the ITB Chemical Engineering Study Program curriculum, this course is given at level 2, after you previously completed Mathematics 1A and 2A as prerequisites. After you complete TK2105, you will practice the knowledge and skill you learn in the measurement and analysis method using real measurement data. Next, you will apply statistics in more challenging practical models in the instructional lab 1 and 2 before continuing to Chemical Engineering Research 1 and 2 as your final project at level 4. Briefly, after you graduate from this course, you are expected to be able to explain basic theoretical concepts in statistics, be able to systematically characterize data based on characteristic values, analyze data using confidence interval techniques and hypothesis testing, find and quantify correlation between variables using technique regressions, and analyzing relatively simple experimental data using software assistance. Our weekly activity plan can be roughly divided into 3 modules. The first module introduces techniques for presenting and characterizing data, as well as a brief overview of the concepts of probability and probability distribution. Then, in the second module, you will be taught about inferential analysis with techniques between confidence and hypothesis testing. In the final module, you will learn about parameter estimation using linear regression and conclude with an introduction to relatively simple statistical experiment. Things I suggest for your success in this lecture: first, you are not expected to memorize all formulas, but you must understand how to use them. Choose the right formulas for the problems you are facing. You must be familiar with using standard statistical tables in textbook, and also be familiar with using the graphing and statistical analysis facilities that are basic from statistical software or spreadsheets. With enough skill that you must master in this course, one of the most important key to success is, of course, practice and practice. Thank you, and see you in the next video.